For me kasi, hindi lang basta work yun. Dapat love mo yung work mo. Mahal mo siya, tsaka gusto mo siya. Hi, I'm Monique Valerie Osaita from 168 Mall. I've been with AUB for 11 years already. I started with AUB as a new accounts for 2 years, and then field sales officer for another 3 years, then RO, and lastly as branch manager. Ako as a leader, tingin ng mga team ko sa akin, good leader naman ako for them kasi balance naman eh. Pag sinabing work, work naman. Pero at times, syempre, may mga bagay na kung may problem sila, sinasabi ko naman na they can talk to me, pwede nila ikwento sa'yo, makikinig ako. Pero syempre sabi ko, kailangan ihiwalay nila yung problem sa bahay tsaka sa work para hindi maapektuhan yung trabaho. For me, integrity and teamwork is the most important because integrity, you should be honest with your clients in all aspects so that they can trust you in their banking needs. Then teamwork is you don't work as ikaw lang. Kumbaga, ako as branch manager, I do the call, sales call. Then syempre I need my team na pag nakuha ko na yung client, syempre magde-deposit sila, i-assist. So yung branch, they will help me sa pagsaservice sa client. So far, the toughest challenge is yung mga competitors na bank. Sometimes, they have other products na wala tayo or minsan yung rate, they have lowest. But if you got the trust ng client, doon ko na dapat talaga importante yung personalized na relationship with client. For me kasi, hindi lang basta work yun. Dapat love mo yung work mo. Mahal mo siya, tsaka gusto mo siya. Kasi kung nabigay mo na yung needs ng client mo, like may ibang needs yung client na minsan hindi na sa bank, parang kailangan minsan help mo din sila or tulungan mo sila para at least sabihin nila na, ay okay dito, hindi lang basta parang work. Parang mas magiging comfortable sila. Doon na mag-start yung trust nila, yung loob nila makukuha mo na. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya natatapos as na-open mo siya, yun na yun. Not just work, parang minsan yung mga client, nagiging friends din natin. Pero syempre, balance pa rin, nandun pa rin yung sa relationship as bank employee and client. As one of the finalists, I inspire my fellow AU bankers by dedicating their 101% determination and focus. Then they can ask their clients on their demands and needs. Di naman siya totally secret, pero siguro alam naman din ng karamihan yan. Do what you want, mahalin mo lang, then kumbaga kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Ibibigay din sa'yo ni God din kung talagang para sa'yo in the right time.